Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today we are going to talk about the GRT, make a technical analysis and a price prediction. Thank you for the support. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's proceed quickly to the technical analysis. Here we are with the support lines, with the blue colored support lines and the red colored, which are our resistance lines. I won't focus much on the resistance lines right now, but I need you to focus, guys, in here in the blue line, which sits at 1.30 USD, around 1.30. And I've circled 2 points here that you need to see. We had this huge buying pressure, and we also have here this huge buy pressure, which I think this line will play an important role in the next few days and will be our support line, meaning we might be here at the bottom. And of course, guys, the MACD, which is very important here, as you can see, the signal line and the blue line, which is the MACD, crossed here at 22 February. So the signal line was way above the MACD, the blue line, which we have a very bearish scenario. That's why we saw a downtrend for the GRT graph. But now we are still in this situation. We are still in a very bearish situation, but always keep in mind, when we're in a very bearish situation and hit the rock bottom, we might have a buying opportunity. But of course, we need to show some respect to the other index as well, guys, of course. So let's go quickly to the relative strength index and the commodity channel index to see what they can tell us for the future trend. And here, as you can see, the commodity channel index, we have an oversold situation. We are way beyond the minus 100, but the angle shows us we might have an uptrend. And the relative strength index with the purple line, we are crossing, under the 35, and we might go sideways a bit, but this is a critical point. We are in an almost oversold situation here. Again, we are almost in the 30, which is the lowest point, in the relative strength index. So we might see some sideways action of this index, but then we might see an upward trend. And I think this is very important because where we are in an oversold situation, this is a buying opportunity. But of course, you should do your own research, and of course, you need to analyze for yourself, because we might go beyond this point, which I don't think this is the case for now, but we might go beyond this blue line here and we might see a further down depending on the market. So let's go to the GRT against BTC to see. We went way beyond this blue line here. Okay, so I don't know the future of GRT against BTC. We might go down, we might go up. It all depends on the Bitcoin. You saw the market today, you saw the market yesterday. We have a huge correction, but I don't think, in my opinion, this is not the end, of course. But we need to wait and see more carefully and more thoroughly, and we need to be patient to see the price action. Okay, so I won't stay here in this chart for very long, guys, but always keep in mind the high risk, that this market has. And of course, we might approach the top for the Bitcoin before we see a decent correction for some days. And then I think the 2021 is our year, of course. But let's go quickly to the Bollinger Bands. And you can see here, as I've explained in my previous videos, the higher the volatility, the higher the risk is. And you can see here, guys, at 14 February to 21 February, you can see the Bollinger Bands, but we'll have that squeeze point here when the distance is getting closer to each other, when the lines are getting close to each other, we have the squeeze point. The squeeze point is a buying opportunity because we expect to see a higher volatility coming in the next days. Of course, this is always not the case, but in most of the case, this is the case, guys. So here we might have a squeeze point again. I am not so sure yet. We might move sideways. I will explain to you now what I think the price prediction will be for the GRT. And let's go quickly to the price prediction and the 20-day, 30-day, 50-day EMA here on the chart. As you can see, I have this blue line and I have circled these 2 points because these are very important points and you need to focus and emphasize in it. I think, guys, this might be the rock bottom for the next days for GRT, of course, for the short-term, mid-term action. So, sorry about that. The 50-day EMA, the 30-day EMA, the 20-day EMA with the yellow line. As you can see, these lines here played the resistance role, and now the 50-day EMA plays the resistance role, and the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA crossed each other, which is, okay, also some huge news, but I think this will be the price action. The reason this line is going down here is because I am not exactly sure, and I can't be 100% sure if this will be a rock bottom. However, in my opinion, I think this will be the trend line. You can see here, we might move sideways and then we might see a huge pump up till this resistance level, or might a bit like here, or we might move like here. This might be the resistance level. Okay, let me draw in a bit so you can see with the red. Let me take it. Okay, so this might be our resistance level and we might not even break this line. However, even if we see this pump up, this is huge news. Of course, you can take profits, and if this is the support level, the key level that we need to emphasize about, if this is the rock bottom, then it's a good buying opportunity. It's always up to you. I only advise you, I only suggest you to do something. I won't demand you because I'm not a financial advisor, and even if I were, I wouldn't even demand you guys. This is always up to you. I always check the indicators, my personal experience in the crypto market, and that's why I make this price prediction and I make this technical analysis. Thank you a lot for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with more videos. Bye, guys.